Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add border in Canva, learn how to add text outline in Canva. So these are the texts that we can learn how to make today. Let's just open your Canva project and just do a blank canvas where you can put your text. And I'm just going to use the second page right here to start from scratch. So click on text right here at the left part of your menu options, and you can click on add a text box or click on any of the templates that you have created for your heading, subheading, or body. I'm just going to click on subheading right here and increase the font size. That I'm going to center it, and I'm just going to type in hello, and you can then change the font by clicking on the font at the top part of this page and just pick a font that you like. For example, I'm gonna pick this one. And once you have entered your text, select it and click on effects right here at the top part of the menu options. And right beside the splice option, you should be able to see the outline option. So just simply tap on that. And now we can adjust the thickness and the color of it. So first I'm going to choose the color of the outline. I'm just going to pick this one. And you can also pick or add a new color to add your preferred color that you like that. And once you have picked your color, you can then adjust the thickness of your outline by increasing or increasing it as you like. And that is how you can basically add an outline. Next one would be, you're going to make this one a text box with a border around it. So what we're going to do is to go to elements by clicking on the option at the left part, and under the shapes, select a shape that you want to put a text on. For example, I'm going to click on this one. Just going to drag it and increase the size as you like. Increase it horizontally or vertically as you prefer. It's going to increase the size, and you can pick a color of it as well by clicking on the circle icon with a color on it and pick a color you want. Again, you can add a new color or just click on a color that you have from your palettes. And once you have done that, double click on the shape and type in your text. You can select it and change the font size to increase or decrease it however you like. You can also change the text color. I'm just gonna switch it to black and select the shape again. And what we're going to do is to click on this border style right beside the color option, and we can increase the border weight. You can also have some patterns right here. I'm just going to click on the solid style, and you can increase or decrease the border weight as you like. And you can also change the border color right here if you want, blue and any color you want. And that is how you can basically add border in Canva and how to add text outline in Canva. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.